What's up guys, my name is Jonathan Padonelli here and welcome back to my YouTube channel Cooking and Loving, where we cook with love. Today we'll be making something that is a very popular dessert in Italy, but I'll tell you that after the sigla. So today we'll be making a dessert, as I said, called Bigne and Spezzoni alla Crema, which is bigne, as you know, is pasta choux, or however I can't pronounce it, and Spezzoni alla Crema is long and cut in half. The ingredients for this dessert are 4 eggs, 250 milliliters of water, 150 grams of flour, 5 grams of yeast for desserts, not pizza, and 50 grams of lard or strutto. Okay, the first step is to pour all the water into our pan or pot or however you call it, so in she goes. And turn the pan onto medium heat, which I'm not very good at. There you go, medium heat. Now before the water boils, once it gets hot and warm, you put the strutto lard in, but don't put it after it boils, put it before it boils. Okay, so the water isn't boiling yet, but it's about like warm and hot, so now's a good time to put the lard or strutto in. Okay, so I'm using a spoon to help me, all of it. Yeah, don't do that. Put this over here. And I'm using a small whisker. Whisker. I don't know how to call it. For some reason this looks oddly satisfying. Okay, so my water just started to boil, so now we can add the flour in, but little by little, so you don't make a big poof. We got our flour here, and I can just add it little by little. But all in, just all in. I turned the fire off and I moved from a whisker to a spatula because it's much easier. Now you can transfer it into a bigger bowl to let it cool down. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. That was quick. And we wait for it to cool down. Okay, while I was waiting for this to cool down, I prepared 2 pans with oven paper. Remember, just to splash a little bit of water so it can stick, and one sack of posh to put our compost into, to lay it down onto our pan. So the next step after this cools down is to put the rest of the condiments. So the next step is to put the yeast for desserts into here. So that's what we're gonna do. And then 1 egg at a time. So we can. So first we whisk. I don't know why it smells good, the yeast. Once you've mixed everything all together, you can start adding the eggs one by one. I'm doing it manually with this, but you can put it in a food processor. Those machines. So crap. First egg. Whoa. The first egg has been incorporated with all of the other ingredients. I preheated my oven to 210 degrees on the ventilation option. So now let's put the second egg. Second in. in she goes. Okay, so the second egg has been incorporated with all the other ingredients. Now we put the third egg and repeat the process. It's almost like a cream, guys. So we can put the fourth egg now. I'm gonna try. No, one hand doesn't go for me. And I think, as you notice, the more eggs you put, the easier it actually is. Well, that yolk just exploded. Okay, I'm done. So now I'm gonna transfer this into the sucker posh. I already put my tool, the hand tool inside, so here. I'm just gonna put it there. Simple as that. I've got my hand stuck, there you go. And I'm just gonna transfer this to here. I think I put. Okay, I finished transferring the compost into our sac à poche, so now let's do the bigne. Now the way to do the bigne is like a circle. Like that. Whoops. Okay, now I'm gonna do the spezzone. Spezzone is just like a line, curve, and then like that. Now we wait. Okay, so my beignets are all done. Also the spezzone are done. I'm gonna leave them inside. So first of all, I'm gonna turn it off, and then also I'm actually gonna open it and leave them inside so the humidity goes and it makes it crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. And I don't know. I mean, I can see they grew up into a big boy, so I'm just gonna leave them in there for a couple more minutes. It's been about 20 minutes, so yeah. Okay guys, here is my classic bigne and my classic spezzone. I have quite a lot over there, but I'm just plating them just to show you guys. Nice and crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside. I will be putting some San Marzano cream, which I made. If you don't know how to make San Marzano cream, check out my last video. I made 3 creams. Anyway, about that. So the way to cut this spezzone is to cut just a little bit here. You can eat that. And put a hole in the middle. That's good. Get your cream and you can fill it up. Oh guys, that looks good. Now the way to do the bigne is to just poke a hole and again fill it up. And there you have it. Okay, so I filled up all my bigne and spezzone with the San Marzano cream, and now I'm just going to put some icing sugar. Just like that. Pounded sugar, sorry. Put that here. Okay, now for the best part, the taste test. Ooh, I'm gonna get this one because it's filled up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Guys, you know when I said crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside? That's exactly how it is. Well done to me. So good. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video here. Like and subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and family. Alla prossima, ciao!